This is how I saved a major UK automotive manufacturer over 1,000 hours of downtime a year by making some simple changes to their machine vision system. The vision system was installed on a robot depalletizing system. It's coming in to pick up boxes off of a pallet and working its way down the stack. The system was unreliable, causing up to 3 hours of downtime a day. And the program within it was really complicated, trying to find all four corners. There's image filtering going on, pattern tools going on, tool upon tool upon tool. The lighting used, 2 bar lights, giving a nice even lighting. Sometimes that's exactly what we want, but not in this case. In this case, what it was doing was filling in the gaps so that it makes it even harder to find these corners. Even the open corner here was hard to pick up because of the boxes below it. What we did was we moved those bar lights out of the way and we fitted a single spotlight. Less light, but applied in the right way. By putting the light at an angle like this, we can create great contrast on this edge. It also creates a shadow around these 2 edges, making finding those high contrast edges a doddle. We can then construct the corner. If we've got 1 corner, we don't need all 4, we know where the box is. That simplified the program enormously. I love it when a simple fix like this can save our customers thousands of hours of downtime and loads of money in lost production.